Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. You have to start by open Galaxy Wearable application. And if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down and go to Earbuds Settings. After that, scroll down again, and at the bottom we have About Earbuds. You need to click this line, and right here we have software version. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!